Alright, I just want to document this. This is the ball I built years ago. I'm currently actually disassembling it. This one is not pure rubber, there's a marble in the middle of it, so I thought I would document my progress. It was also quite damaged, so I'm taking, for now, the damaged part off, and I might disassemble the entire thing and possibly rebuild it or scavenge some of the pieces, anything that's still usable. So anyway, I guess that's the plan. Alright, we have reached the first, what I believe is the first layer. I've been keeping all the bands in bags so I can put it back together. I believe this is the final layer, the core. So far this would be layer 21. It seems to be quite distorted from years, literally probably like 10 years of being under pressure of all the other layers. Still bounces though. Alright, here we are. We are literally so close. I think now I'm gonna do a time lapse and take the final bits off. We can finally get to the center. Alright, we finally did it, and this is what was at the center. This thing, I knew this was down here, that's why I took this whole thing apart. Because you can't be having these in there. Somebody's lighting off fireworks. Anyway, I got it out, and that literally sucked. I've been here for like 2 days taking this thing apart. But I've got all the bands. Got them all in bags. I literally went through more effort than anybody probably ever would, but we've saved all these, and now I can use them or recreate the ball. So, yeah. Kind of a cool marble though, huh?